Today I am going to tell you a new poem to entertain you. No, don't you believe? You can learn the sounds, ma. So very interesting and entertain one. So what is this? I speak, I say, I talk. So can you speak? Can you say? Can you talk? Yes. But what about animals? Can they speak? Can they talk? Can they say anything? No, right? So what can they do? See this one. Talking birds are birds that can mimic the spoken language of human birds. Mimic. Mimic means mimicry, imitation, right? So mimic means imitation. A person who copies the behavior or speech of other people. That we call it mimic. Mimic means here we can take here copy or imitation. Copy or imitation. Simple word we can take it, ma. Copy or imitation. So mimic means copy or imitation. So talking birds are birds. Yes, in the birds, talking birds you have, na? Yes, they mimic, they imitate us, right? They copy us. However we speak, like that they try to speak. And the spoken language of humans, parrots have special ability of imitating human beings. Yes, do parrots imitate us or not? Yes. So however we speak, they also speak it, na? Yes. In that also, especially Amazon parrots. Amazon parrots are great talkers. What are these Amazon parrots? Amazon parrots means Greek parrots. Amazon parrots means Greek parrots. Those are called Amazon parrots, Greek parrots. So they are great talkers. Amazon parrots are great talkers. They talk very properly. And parrots talk if trained well. If trained well. So if we train them, train means give instruction to them. Train means here not of train, chick, right? Train, not that one, Nana. So train means here to give instruction to give instruction. So if they practice, if we give instructions and then if they practice like that, definitely they can speak like us. They can speak like us. Give instruction to. Okay, ma. So what are these animals sound? Here all of you one by one sound. Cats purr, lions roar, owls hoots, bears snore, mice squeak, sheep baa, but I speak. Right? So now hear the sounds. Cats purr. Cats. Yes, sound here. Have you heard? Yes. Cats purr. And lions roar. Owls hoots. Owls hoots. Bears snore. Right? Bears snore. And mice squeak. Mice squeak. Sheep baa. Baa, black sheep. You can remember? Sheep baa. Right? But I speak. But I speak. So all these animal sounds we call with the names. Cats purr, lions roar, owls hoot, bears snore, mice squeak, sheep baa, but I speak. Who is I here? Yes, poet, I, you, all of us. Okay. And see the next sounds, what do we get? Monkeys chatter, cows moo, ducks quack, doves coo, pigs squeal, and horses neigh, chickens cluck, and but I say. Can we say? Yes, but these cannot. So what the monkeys? Monkeys, hear the sound. Monkeys chatter, cows moo, ducks quack, ducks quack, Doves coo. Doves coo. Pigs squeal. Pigs squeal. Horses neigh. Horses neigh. Chickens cluck. Yes, have you heard the sounds very clearly? Yes, all the animal sounds you can hear. But I say, can you say or not? Yes, but the animals, they make the sounds. Can they speak? No. Yes. Next one you see. So, flies hum. Dogs growl. Dogs bark and growl, both we can say. Bats screech. Coyotes croak. Parrots squawk. Bees buzz. But I talk. I am talking now. Yes, can you talk? Yes, but these animals make the sounds. What are these coyotes? Coyotes means a small animal like a wolf. Coyotes means a small animal like a wolf. Like a wolf. Okay, children. So now see the last sounds again. Flies hum. Dogs growl. Dogs growl, barking sound. Bats screech. Coyotes croak. Coyotes croak. Parrots, yes, squawk. And next, bees, yes, buzz. But I talk. Okay, children. So once again I am telling. So here see this one. Cats purr, lions roar, owls hoots, bears snore, mice squeak, sheep baa. But I speak. Monkeys chatter, cows moo, ducks quack, doves coo, pigs squeal, horses neigh, chickens cluck. But I say, I cannot make the sounds these, but I can speak, I can say. Flies hum, dogs growl, bats screech, coyotes croak, parrots squawk, bees buzz. But I talk, I speak, I say, I talk. But the animals and birds, can they speak? Can they say? Can they talk? No, not at all. But we all of us, yes, can speak, can say, can talk. Have you heard the animal sounds? Enjoyed it? Yes. Read all of you this poem once again. Learn the sounds of animals. Very important, children. Learn the sounds of animals. Okay, ma? Learn it. See, children. So, have you read the poem? You enjoyed the poem? Very nice. Now, I'll ask some questions on that poem. All of you must say the proper answers. Okay, children. Now, see this comprehension part from the textbook. What do we have? It's a time to answer. In this, first we have answer the following questions. We have very few, 5 questions only we have. You should tell me the answers for that. What are those? First to see that. Who else can talk like humans if trained? Who else can talk like humans if trained? Who can talk? Yes, parrots. Right, ma? So, write the question fast. In all of you open the notes and write the question and answer. Who else can talk like humans if trained? Who else can talk like humans if trained? If we train, who can talk like that? Yes, parrots can talk, na? Write the answer for that. Write the answer. parrots can talk like humans. Parrots can talk like humans if trained. If trained. Okay, children. Parrots can talk like humans if trained. Okay, ma? And see the second one. What is called coyote? What is called coyote? What is this? It is a small animal like a wolf. It is a small animal like a wolf. So write the question. What is called coyote? What is called coyote? Sorry. What is called coyote? Answer. A small animal. A small animal like a wolf. Like a wolf. A small animal like a wolf is called coyote. Okay, children. What is called coyote? A small animal like a wolf. Okay, ma. And see the third question. What do we have, Nana? What does I in the poem refer to? Who does I in the poem refer to? Who is here? Yes, very good. The poet. Right? Write the question. Who does I in the poem refer to? In the poem refer to. Who is here? Answer. I in the poem refers to. I in the poem refers to the poet. I in the poem refers to the poet. Okay, ma. And see the fourth question. Which animal hoots at night? At night is there. At night, and which animal we can see only at night? An owl. Right? Very good. So now, which animal hoots at night? So who makes the hoot sound? An owl only. So then easily we can find it. Okay, which animal hoots at night? So then we can write an owl. An owl hoots at night. An owl hoots at night. Okay, ma. And see the next question, last question. What do we have? What does the poem talk about? What does the poem talk about? What do we have in this poem? The poem talks about the sounds of animals. The poem talks about sounds of animals. So write the question. What does the poem talk about? What does the poem talk about? What does the poem talk about? What, Nana? The poem talks about sounds of animals. Talks about sounds of animals. Okay, children. The poem talks about sounds of animals. See this? Who else can talk like humans if trained? Who can talk? Parrots. Parrots can talk like humans if trained. Next one, Anna. What is called coyote? What is called coyote? So, a small animal like a wolf. A small animal like a wolf is called coyote. And who does I in the poem refer to? Who does I in the poem refer to? I in the poem refers to the poet. I in the poem refers to the poet. And which animal hoots at night? Which animal hoots at night? Which animal? Yes, hoots make by sound. Owl only. So an owl hoots at night. And next one, what does the poem talk about? What is the poem is discussing? The poem talks about sounds of animals only. Right, Nana? So these are the question answers. All of you write in your notes and learn all the question answers. Write down. See children, so the next one we have in the time to answer only. After question answers we have fill in the blanks using Clocet. Fill in the blanks using Clocet. So you know the sounds na? What we have in the Clocet, they have given some sounds and the names they have, names of animals they have given here. What are those? Quack, quack, neigh, buzz, roar, purr. These sounds they have given. Which animal does that sound? That we can find it. Okay, Nana? See this one, cats. Cats make the sound, cats, purr. Cat says purr. P-U-R-R. Cat says purr. Lion roars. Lion says roar. Lion roars. So lions roar. Next one, bees buzz. Right? Bees buzz. Bees are buzzing. So buzz. Next one, horses neigh. That horses neigh. N-E-I-G-H. Very good. Next one, ducks quack quack. Right? So then ducks are quack sound. Ducks give quack sound. What are those ma? Cats purr. Lions roar. Bees buzz sound. Horses neigh. Ducks quack sound. Ducks quack sound. Not only Clocet, without that also you should write these sounds. You have in the poem now, you have read that one. So that's why all of you should write without Clocet also. Okay children? Learn this, write in the book and learn these sounds. See children, so the next topic we have vocabulary part. In the vocabulary, yes, it's a time to know the new words. Meanings we should know, some words, no? Vocabulary we should learn. No? Already we know. Once again see that. First one is mimic. I told very simple word for mimic, copy or imitate. But total meaning of it you see now. Mimic means a person who copies the behavior, or speech of other people. A person who copies the behavior or speech of other people. Others' behavior if we copy, or as others' speech if we copy and if we do, that is called mimic, we call it mimicry, mimic. And the next one is Amazon parrots, that means Greek parrots. Next one, Anna, train here means give practice, that is to give instruction to. And coyote means, yes, a small animal like a wolf. Those are called coyotes. Okay children. So these are the vocabulary part. Then we can do next grammar topic. See children, the next one we have time to spell well. In that, complete the following words. So in the next we have in the time to spell well, complete the following words. What do we have the words? So here they gave the words missing the first letter in all. And here they have given those letters also. What are those? P, C, H, D, M, S, C, B, C, L. These they have given. So where these are possible, that you should write. Now see the first one, dash A-T-S. What do we have? Very good. Cats. Oats is not animal. Na? So here animal names. Na? That's why cats. C-A-T-S. Cats. Where we have? Yes, here C. Here also we have cats. Next one, second one, ma. Lions. Very good. L-I-O-N-S. Where is L? here. Lions. Lions. Next one, Anna. Dash EARS. Not hears. Here it is. Hears means not animal name. We should write only animal name. Animals are birds' names. Then we can write, yes, bears. BEARS. Where is B? Here. BEARS. Bears. Next one. What do we have? Dash ROAK. Croc. Croc. So spelling CROAK. Croc. Where is C? Here we have. And next one. Dash QUAWK. Yes. Quack. Squawk. 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 Okay, ma. So squawk. And next one, dash ONKEYS. You know, all of you. Monkeys. 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 Next one, ma. Dash UCKS. Dash UCKS. What do we have? Very good. Ducks. 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 Next one. What do we have? Here, sorry ma. O. ORSES. What can we write? Yes, another name, animal name. Horses. 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 Next one ma. Dash HICKENS. Very good. Chickens. So see here. CHICKENS. Chickens. Next one. ARROTS. Very nice. Parrots. PARROTS. What are these are names of animals and their sounds only, right? So cats, lions, bears, croc, squawk, monkeys, ducks, horses, chickens and parrots. Okay, children. Write these words in the book and learn it. See, children, so the next one we have in this time to write. Take the correct one. So here in the time to write, correct one we should take it. So they gave here total 5. Whether those are right or wrong. If it is right, take it. Okay, ma. See this one, doves coo. Yes, doves is coo only, na? Yes, this is correct only. Very good. Next one, pigs bark. Pigs, do they bark? No, pigs make the sound squeal. Pigs squeal. Then we should write this is wrong. Who bark like this? Yes, that is dogs bark. And chickens roar. Do chickens roar? No, the chickens cluck. Right? Who can make the sound roaring sound? Very good. Lions roar. So chickens roar is the wrong one. And the next one, Anna, flies hum. Right? All the flies hum. Na? That's why this is also correct one. Take it. And humans talk. Are we talking or not? Yes. That's why it is also right one. So these two only wrong. So doves coo, pigs squeal, not of barking. That's why it is wrong. Chickens cluck, not of roaring. That's why this is also wrong. And flies hum. Flies hum sound. And next, humans also talk. So these 3 are right and those 2 are wrong. Okay, children, write down. See, children, so the next one we have, identify the animal on the basis of sound. So identify the animal on the basis of sounds. Already the lesson we have done, poem we have done only the sounds. Na? So here already we have done one topic, that is animal they have given, find the sounds. Now here they have given sounds and we should find the animal which makes this sound. What is the first one? Purr. Who says purr sound? Who gets? Yes, cats. Very good. Cats purr. And roar. Lions. Very nice. Lions. Next one, snore. Who gets snoring sound? Bears. Bears. Human beings also get snoring sound only. Bears. Okay, we can talk, but sleeping we get snore, we call it. Here this one, bears say, bears make sound, snore. And croak. Croak says that is the sound is coyotes. 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 So coyotes make sound croak. And ba, black sheep. What is that? Very good. Sheep. Okay, ma? So purr gives the sound of cats. And roar is given the sound by lions. Snore is the sound given by bears. Croak is the sound given by coyotes. And ba is given the sound by sheep. Okay, ma? Learn it. See children, so the next one, in the time to write only, we have next one. Unscramble the letters to know the animals. So what is this? See this one. So here they have given some animals names. Animals. Pictures they have given, and here jumbling they have given. So that unscramble it. So in the proper order if you write, yes, you get the names of these animals. Okay, children. Can you find it? Yes. So what are the animals we have here? See, Nana. So here we have all the animals different we have, na? So one by one you should try to find it. All the animals what we have in this. First one, what do we have, ma? First one it is, yes, monkey. First one it is monkey. So right, can you write this one? Can you try? M-O-N-K-E-Y. So here the pictures if you see, tortoise is there, turtle is there, right? Duckling is there, mouse is there, elephant is there, right? All the animals. So monkey, tiger, elephant, right, ma? So these animals you have. Yes. So how to write this one? Unscramble. What is the first word we have? O-N-K-E-M-Y. What can we write? Unscramble. Proper order if you write, that is monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Next one, Anna. G-E-R-T-I. Very good. In the pictures only you should see. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. And the third one you see, Nana. What do you have in the third one? Yes, here T-L-E-T-U-R. T-L-E-T-U-R. What do we have here? Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. And next one, what do we have, Nana? G-I-P. This side if you say, very easy. Pig. And next one, what do you have? C-K-L-I-N-G-D-U. This one you add it. D-U starting you keep it. Ducklings. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. Next one, S-O-M-U-E. Very good. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Next one, Anna, okay, only one left over the picture, elephant. But spelling here, what did they give? L-E-N-T-P-A-H-E. But elephant spelling E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. But from that only we are taking. Na? So the proper order if you get, animals names we get. What is the first one? Monkey. Second one, tiger. Third one, turtle. Fourth one, pig. And fifth one, duckling. Sixth one, mouse. And last one, elephant. Okay, children, write this one. Yes, see children, so the last topic in this poem, I speak, I say and I talk, right? So what do we have last one? It's a time to do. What can you do? Yes, your favorite one only, project work. Of course, I am not giving any other new topic here. See this, very beautiful one you have now. Color the picture. Very simple work from this poem here. Color the picture. Here elephant is there and tree, elephant and its baby elephant and a father and a daughter. So in the form how it is in the jungle or else in the zoo like this, only elephants here. So this total picture with the different colors, that is whatever you like. Color pencils you take it and color this picture. Okay children, it's very easy na? You are very interesting to do this coloring. So that's why do it as early as possible. Next week I'll check it. Okay, do it.